We are here in Middleborough, Massachusetts. For the 8th year in a row, we are crashing the bath of a deserving veteran and replacing it with a beautiful, safer bathing space, all free of charge from NEWPRO. Stay tuned for the transformation coming just a few hours.
I was looking for options to update our bathroom and make it more adaptable, and Operation Home Renovations came up. Steve does a lot for the family and he deserves it. I put our name in the hat to see how it would go.
Well, the video's out there. I was quite surprised. So the old bathroom was 20 plus years old, and things have changed, especially having a child that has accessibility needs.
The options were wonderful, but not only the options, just talking to Ryan about what would work for our family and be adaptable. You can tell that not only is he great at his job, he really knows what he's talking about. So it was easy and everybody was really wonderful.
This new one, I can't wait to see it.
This is the most exciting part of the project. You guys ready? Yeah. Come on in. This is the after. Do you guys love it?
Yeah.
Stunning.
Who's going to take the first shower?
It's unbelievable. I can't believe it was done in one day.
Matt and Brian, they knocked it out of the park. It's exactly what we hoped it would be, and it's just absolutely stunning. All the kids are fighting over who's going to shower first. We're very grateful to NEWPRO for everything they've done for us. Operation Home Renovation is absolutely an incredible opportunity, and I look forward to seeing other veterans receive it in the future.
Thank you, NEWPRO.